From viral Pottery Barn and LoveShackFancy dupes to clever Dollar Tree outdoor hacks, today's video is jam-packed with amazing home decor transformations. Welcome to CJDIY. I am C. These Pottery Barn LoveShackFancy rose ceramic pots are such a great finds, but they can be a bit pricey. However, with Dollar Tree scalloped edge containers, I will show you very easy steps to create pots like this. I have this pot in my stash. Those are similar like the Dollar Tree ones. I painted with a white paint, and now I will show you the perfect technique to decoupage napkins onto those scalloped edge pots for a seamless professional finish. After I remove second layer on this napkin, I simply added a Mod Podge with my brush, and now I'm smoothing out my napkin going through the pot until this whole pot is covered with this beautiful blueprint. Decoupage is such an easy method. All you need to do is apply a thin layer of a Mod Podge to the surface and gently smooth the napkin from the center outward and let it fully dry, and then seal the top with another thin layer of adhesive and use the iron-on method as a pro tip to achieve a perfectly flat, wrinkle-free finish. Anybody can do. Now that I cover my pot mostly with this napkin, I will cut off a smaller piece on the back where we didn't have enough to add with our first napkin, and I will cut it in a triangle shape and covering it all, making sure all those designs are into right patterns. Very easy and simply to do. I will cut off the excess on the side, on top and on the bottom, and to finish it off I will just seal it with another layer of a Mod Podge, and we have an amazing Pottery Barn Love Shack dupe for this pot. These Dollar Tree wall art butterfly frames are such a great find, and by adding a touch of a wooden scalloping to this simple Dollar Tree frame, we can transform it into an absolutely stunning piece of art. I have those wooden scalloped edges from Amazon, link in my description box. I'm cutting off enough to fit around the frame. Very easy to cut it off with one of my pliers, very easy to apply. And after I have the sizes to fit perfect into this frame, I will add a layer of a wood glue for a sturdy hold, and for immediate hold I will add a hot glue, and we have a new frame for this art piece. After the new scalloped framing is done, I will add another decoupage method with the same kind of blue rose print napkin, and I will cover all those scalloped edges into a high-end finish. And everyone has different tastes, so feel free to experiment with different napkin colors and patterns to match your decor. It is a great way to give your home a fresh, trendy, new look without breaking the bank. Now that the frame is covered with a napkin, I seal it with Mod Podge. For a 3D effect, I added a butterfly from another Dollar Tree frame along with a 3D sticker on the corner. The project is now complete. And this episode is part of amazing collab Anything Summer that Donna put it all together, from Donna's DIYs and Things and Christine Divine Designs. And they invited me and Emily from Farm Charm Chic to be their guest host. The links are in my description box from their channels along with the playlist. So check them all out and show them lots of love. Scallop trays are trending everywhere right now, but they can be pricey. So we can create our own for just a couple of dollars using wood planks from Dollar Tree and more scalloped wooden edges like we use on our previous creations. If you watched my previous episode, you saw how I created a tray with a different design. Today I'm creating another tray like that with same scalloping edges, except we will add a different pattern to make our decor cohesive with our today's DIYs. After I cut off those scalloping wooden pieces with my pliers, I'm adding a wood glue and a hot glue for immediate hold. And after that, we will decoupage this tray inside and out with the same blueprint napkin like we did on our frame and on our pot today. Very easy and simple to do. Since my napkin is not large enough to fit on the inside portion of my tray, I cut off a smaller piece first. I added a Mod Podge, and next to it I'm adding a layer of a Mod Podge and adding the patterns together with the napkin. That way it won't be noticeable that we added 2 layers of napkins. I will repeat the same decoupage process after I cover the inside part of the tray on the outside scalloped framing, so we can have the beautiful Love Shack Fancy popular design. And now that we have the look that we like, I'm adding a little detail with my IOD molds that I created from resin, and I painted with the bronze paint in front of my tray, and this is how it looks. You don't need a big budget to elevate your space, and with these pastel Dollar Tree frames and some carefully curated images that I have in my stash, you can achieve that high-end magazine worthy look. So for those frames, I didn't do anything except adding those beautiful images inside, and I have a perfect new trending look. And now it's time to create a pink rose version from those LoveShackFancy pots using the same kind scallop pot that I previously painted with a white paint, and adding a pink napkin. I'm cutting off the scalloped edges just to make a clear edge while I'm adding to my pot. I'm using the same method like I did on my blue pot. Very easy and simple to do, and a new pink version from the blue one that we previously did. Dollar Tree is selling those faux eucalyptus picks with pink edges, perfect for my pink pot. And this is how my pink and blue pot look together for outdoor and indoor. An amazing budget friendly dupe that we did way cheaper than the original LoveShackFancy Pottery Barn. And pair of another pink pastel Dollar Tree frames and a different images to make them cohesive with my pink LoveShackFancy pot and amazing home decor look. And when you pair them together with the original LoveShackFancy gift box, you won't notice the difference. And the secret to a room that never gets old: a neutral base and a collection of accents you love. Either can be the soft blue for one season, pretty pinks for another, and both calming, both beautiful, and both so easy to switch as the season change. Wood risers featuring metal wire accents are incredibly versatile and bit pricey. They aren't just for food displays, they're perfect for home decor and various other uses. And best of all, you can easily create them yourself with using affordable supplies from Dollar Tree, with these wooden planks from Dollar Tree and those wire outdoor baskets. So I will pair them together after I cut off the tags and remove the wires from the wired basket. And what I will do is I will flip the wood plank on the bottom, and also I will flip the wire basket on the bottom as well, just like so. And with my staple gun, all I need to do is just add some staples between the wires so I can connect the wood plank with the wire. And for less than a couple of minutes, we have those popular wood wire risers. These outdoor metal bobblehead figures from Dollar Tree make the perfect charming detail for your summer decor. I have mine for $5. I saw a similar ones at Aldi for $9.99, and the ones from Dollar Tree are way cheaper. And look how cute they look. I mean, we can add some polka dots, red polka dots on their body, but I just leave them as they are for now. I added them into my risers. Perfect summer decor hack. For my next project, I will be using a metal wreath, those metal butterflies and some metal flowers. And when we put them all together, it makes perfect decorative detail, whether for your interior walls or your outdoor space. And to easily put them together, what I did is I removed their price tags and I added them with a glue on the back, and that will be my hold on to the metal wreath and they will stay sturdy. So I added those paper price tags on the back of the butterflies and the flowers, and after that, with a generous amount of glue, I will add it to the metal wreath, and for less than few minutes we have a perfect new look. Also, for extra embellishment, after I put them all together, I will add a small burlap bow, just a simple bow on top, and that's it. Perfect new budget friendly look. With just $1 and some change, you can turn those Dollar Tree watering cans and metal hooks into an incredible outdoors display that looks like you spend a fortune. So if you see those, grab them. Perfect for our summer decor. And unfortunately, we came to the end of this episode. For any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Let me know which of those looks is your favorite, and if you like this content. And for more, don't forget to like, subscribe, hype, and share. And don't forget to check out my friends' playlist. And until next time, my darlings, be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46:10. Stay blessed from me to you. Bye-bye.